Good morning, students. I am Ashish Shrivastava here with a new topic, that is making of fabric. This class belongs to the class 6 science. In previous video, we have discussed about the fibers and fabrics, different kind of the fabrics and different kind of the fibers. So today we are going to discuss how we make the fabrics from the fibers. So first step is making yarns. The fabric are composition of yarns, and yarns are uh, formed with the help of the fibers. When the lump of fiber is twisted together, they forms a thread that is called yarn. It is done by hands or by the machines. Machines like charkha and spinning tool, and by hand we twisted them and convert it into the yarns. So the process to converting fiber into yarn is known as the spinning. That method is known as spinning. There is a spinning tool is also on a small level is available. It looks like that. Here we fasten the lump of the fibers to it, and when it is rotate, the fiber start to turn and convert it into the yarn like that. It is the lump, and it is twisted, and it converted into the yarn. And this is known as the spinning. Since we are using the spinning tool, that's why it is known as the spinning. Have you guys seen your mama or your sister is making their choti? In that process, what they are doing, they are using 3 part of hairs and twisted them together and makes a choti. So similarly, the way is also there. The yarns are formed by twisting the fibers. The next step is yarn to fabric. When the yarns are formed, so combining 2 or more yarn together and put them in a pattern means one thread is horizontal, then we add another yarn in vertically, so one by one. So this kind like that, they fasten to each other and form a fabric like that. Some yarns or threads are putting like that, and other yarns are putting to each other like that. If you see a piece of cloth very carefully, you can see this pattern into the cloth piece. In bandage, you can see it is properly because they are very further to each other. There is so much space between 2 yarns. So in such way, a yarn is converted into fabric. There are 2 methods to produce the fabric. One is by machine. These machines are known as the looms. In looms, we just put the balls of the yarns into it and fasten them and start weaving with the help of machine. In this process, this process is known as the weaving, and in this process, 2 or more than 2 yarns are joined together at a time. And the second method is knitting. Knitting is done by 2 sticks of metal or wood. In ancient time, people used the wooden stick for the knitting. In the knitting, only one yarn or thread is used to weave the cloth. So that is the main difference between the weaving and knitting. In weaving, two or more than two yarns are weaved together, while in knitting only one single thread is used. So like the making the sweaters is done by knitting, and others are done by the weaving, like your pant cloth, shirt cloth, sheets, dhotis, saris, they are produced by the weaving, while the sweaters, basically sweaters, are done by knitting. Now, fabric to clothes. The piece of fabric, when stitched together, they form different kind of the clothes, like your shirt, your jeans, your pant, coat. These are done by the different pieces of cloth and stitched together. In such way, a fabric converted into clothes. But few cloths are there also, there is no need of the stitching, like sari, lungi, dhoti, or turban, pagdi. You see, this kind of the fabric needs no stitching. They just wrap around our body and we use them to cover our body. So let's talk about the history of the clothing. In ancient time, people are not knowing the weaving or stitching. They cover their body with the help of the leaves of tree, barks of the tree, and the skins of the animals. But when the peoples are settled down and start the agriculture, they try to make their cloths or start to weaving. But when they start to convert the fabric into yarns, but that time also they produce the piece of the fabrics, and that piece of fabrics they wrapped around their bodies to cover themselves. But the stitching was not there. After the discovery of the stitching needles, they start to join the pieces of the cloths. In such way, they start to making different kind of the cloths by pieces. And I think they are very comfortable for them to do the work. But still nowadays, we also use some kind of the cloths. They are still not stitched. As I told you previously, that is sari, lungi, turbans, dhotis. They are still not stitched together. We just wrap them around our body. So this is the history of the cloths, how we start to use them. So guys, today I'm going to end up this chapter, that is fiber to fabric. I will send the homework on WhatsApp or Edunex app, that you will solve the problems. If you have any query, then send the question to me. Tomorrow, that is Sunday, you will get the solution of these questions, these exercises. Also guys, there is some surprise for you, and that I will tell you later. Till, stay at home and be safe.